The new Succulent, Sunglow, and Storm Blue Solo Loops for Apple Watch. They're $49 at Apple and available for all sizes. I'm wearing a size 3 on 41mm. Along with unboxing, you'll see how they look on 3 of my stainless steel watches and silver aluminum. Keep in mind Series 8 has the same design as the Series 7 from last year. Give this a like if it helps, and subscribe for more. Let's open them. Succulent. The closest you can get to mint green this season, with a little more blue, without being too pastel either. In between a pale, light blue, and cactus. Kind of calming. The camera gets its color pretty well. Check it out. Here it is on the silver stainless steel. You know I have to match up the watch to the phone. Gold stainless steel. Space black, to show you how dark Apple Watches look with it. And silver aluminum. Storm blue. Lighter than Abyss from last year, but still dark. If you missed out last time, get this one. Make sure the metal is in the inside. Gold stainless steel. Space black, to show you how dark Apple Watches look with it. And silver aluminum. Sunglow. Not as vibrant as canary yellow, but still enough to catch the essence of a bright, sunny day. A bit subdued to not stand out loud, but not as pale as last season's Lemon Zest. It's a bit warmer. Gold stainless steel. Space black. And silver aluminum. Which one did you like the most? Comment below. If you already have any of these, add your thoughts in the comments. I hope this helped. If so, give it a like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.